Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Anthony, owner of Faithful Home Buyers KC, standing here with my partner for A&D Properties, Daniel.
Hey guys, how you doing?
We're here at our new acquisition in Independence, Missouri, off 12th Street. We picked this up from our PPC lead. Had to do a quick close, created a win-win opportunity for the seller and for us. And this should be a quick rehab, and we should put it on the market here in about 2 or 3 weeks. You'll come along with us, and I'll show you the scope of work and what we're going to do to it. As you can see, Arturo, we got trees that are overgrown standing next to the house. Everything is original. We're gonna do exterior paint, all new exterior lights, take all the trees out, update all the landscaping. We're gonna rip this roof off. It's a single tab. We're gonna put an architectural 3-tab black roof on it. We're gonna update the landscaping, new cedar shutters. As you can see, trees are growing all through the house, so we're going to take all those trees out here. We're going to expose this beautiful house again. We're going to prune this beautiful tree up, trim some trees. As we go inside, we do updated modern address numbers on all of our properties. And then as you can see, the previous owner already had some floors done, and we are going to keep those floors, save some dollars. And this is just basically going to be a cosmetic rehab, guys. We're not changing anything structurally. We're not changing anything mechanically. We're changing the light fixtures. Coming in here is going to be a drop-down ceiling fan, all new interior paint, all the baseboards, all the trim conversions going to be white. We're going to reface this fireplace. We're going to do new tile, surround, new paint, all new outlets, all new switches, receptacles. Coming in here, we're going to do, like I said, all new fixtures, new drop-down dining light, rip these countertops up. We're gonna do brand new, beautiful granite countertops. We're gonna keep about 80% of these cabinets. These cabinets are good, maybe 100%. If we can repair some of the water damage, we'll do that. Cabinets are gonna stay, brand new granite countertops. We're gonna do a nice tile herringbone backsplash, brand new pulls, brand new hinges, undermount lights, stainless steel appliances. Getting rid of these old appliances, doing some can lights in here. Over here, we have the washer dryer, and washer on left side, dryer on right. And we're gonna put 2 disc lights over here and give it more lighting for our next customer. New box spring mattresses we'll throw in one of our rentals. This will get paint, and that's about it. Easy peasy. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. We are going to add another bathroom in the basement, possibly another bedroom to add some value. But coming over here to the left is going to be the master bedroom. We had to rip up all the carpets. The previous owner had pets, and as you can see, the pets did some bathroom breaks on the floors. So we will kill the floors with some paint and get rid of all the stains and everything. Sometimes we have to replace the subfloor because it's too rotted and it's too smelly, and the kills won't even do it. So we do that sometimes. Now, to add some wow features to this property, we are going to blow out that wall, open up the whole bathroom, and give it a nice tile surround, tile floor, and double vanity. This will get a nice barn door, and then you got a walk-in closet over here. So nothing too crazy here, but that's the value add we're going to do in this room. Coming over here is this normal bathroom. We're not going to do much to it. We're going to keep the floors. We're going to keep that tile surround. We're going to keep the vanity. We'll just paint it. We will install new light fixtures and new faucets. Bedroom 2 and 3 are going to get carpets in the floors. Doors are going to stay the same. We're going to keep our hinges and our doorknobs. Actually, we're going to change the hinges and doorknobs out to black. We're going to paint all the doors. Doors are accent color, so stay tuned because it's going to be a very cool product. All the windows are going to get new window blinds, and it looks like we have a cracked window, so all the cracked windows will get replaced. Bedroom 3, same thing as bedroom 2, your master bedroom, carpet floors, ceiling fans in the bedrooms. And let's go downstairs. And we're still talking about what we want to do with the light fixtures. Sometimes in a situation like this, we like to bring in some more wow, and a wow feature would be a nice drop-down light fixture here, but since we're so close to the dining room, it's conflicting. So I got to talk to our design team and see what they're thinking about. high traffic carpet stairs is going to be a good design. It's going to last a long time. We do undermount lightings for the rails as another wow feature. So as you're coming down, it's like, oh wow, that's so cool. All right, coming down to the basement. Lights are off. Right now, this is a ranch with an unfinished basement, and we are going to finish the basement. Again, to add some value and bring in some more ROI, finish the basement, add another bathroom for sure, possible bedroom. But this basement has a wonky layout. So we're gonna talk to the team and see what we can do to really bring some value to our next homeowner and bring some love to this space. Typically, we're gonna frame all the walls. We're gonna add our outlets, and then we're add our disc lights all the way through. I'm gonna keep the ceiling exposed. We're gonna paint it black. We're gonna carpet the floors. This is going to be the new bathroom since it's already plumbed here. And then this will be the new bedroom right here. We're gonna do an egress window right there to make it a legal bedroom. This is going to be framed off right here. And so this will all be open as well. So this will be framed, and then this will be a cool, another living area if you'd like, pool table or what have you. But there'll be storage in between here, storage underneath the staircase. And this project should take about 2 weeks pending our contractors and timelines and everything. But I feel pretty good about this purchase. It should be in and out, and stay tuned for what we have to bring to you guys. Thank you.